Do you want to grow delicious, hassle-free tomatoes? And I mean hassle-free. I mean no garden plots, no stakes or cages, no pruning, just a flower pot and a sunny location inside or out of your house. Now, I hear a lot of advice telling people that not to introduce tomatoes if you're a new gardener and work your way up. Well, I'm not on board that ship, and today we discuss the easiest tomato to grow for any gardening level. This is the orange hat tomato, which is an extra dwarf type of tomato. And this plant was seeded in March and it's already at full height. So as you can see, this plant does not require any stake or cages. This plant does not require any pruning, but you can remove some of the bottom leaves for ventilation if you choose. This plant will reach a maximum height of approximately 12 inches, and it will produce an abundant supply of orange cherry tomatoes for you to enjoy. It originates, if you're interested, from Russia, so this is an heirloom import to the Americas. Now, how to start this plant. So you want to place the seeds 1/8 of an inch deep in a seed tray for winter or early spring planting, or directly in a pot to be used for late spring, summer seeding. Your seeds will germinate in 7 to 14 days if the temperature stays 75 degrees or higher. Pots need to be at least 6 inches in diameter for this plant, but if you're going to grow more than one plant, then these guys only need to be 8 inches apart. Yep, you heard me, 8 inches apart for this small space gardener's dream. This guy can be grown indoors in a sunny location, preferably in a south-facing window. So if you're keeping your house in the winter at 75 degrees, this guy's in a south-facing window, you're talking fresh tomatoes from your house in the winter. That's how easy this guy is to grow. Now, as far as requirements, all this plant needs is some potting soil, some full sun, regular watering, and a monthly feeding to keep it healthy. The orange hat tomato is self-pollinating, so you only need one plant if you want tomatoes. And you can let the pollinators, such as the bees, you can let the wind, or you can even do the flower shake method to pollinate the flowers. And that is because each of the flowers has the male and the female part within one flower. And that's what makes it self-pollinating. So if you do have these for your indoor use, then the finger tap method would be how you generate your tomatoes, and you can do it without any type of insects or bees needed. To understand why this tomato is the perfect for small places, let's talk about the type of tomatoes. So your first type of tomato is your indeterminate tomato. So these are your long viney tomatoes. They grow continuously till frost, and they produce tomatoes continuously till frost. They'll reach an average height of 6 feet, and they can reach a maximum height of 12 feet, and they can be just as wide without proper pruning. A determinate tomato is going to grow 3 to 5 feet tall and stop. It's going to set fruit, and it's going to produce all of its fruit approximately 1 month from each other. So within 1 month, you're going to have all the fruit for that one plant. So the orange hat is a micro determinate. So this plant's going to stay small. It's going to give you abundance of tomatoes all within 1 month of each other. As you can see here, almost all the tomatoes now are ripe, but a few green, and once those green turn orange, this guy is done, which is why you want to succession plant and have another one on hand. So now you can see why this plant is perfect for your patio or your containers. Because he's not going to grow very big, he's going to give you an abundance of fruit, and you can succession plant this guy with relatively ease. Now, if you're a container gardener, a small space gardener, or a patio gardener, then you might find this video on vertical zucchini gardening very helpful for your small spaces. And also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on that notification bell, and share this with some other gardener who might enjoy fresh tomatoes but have a small space and are struggling. This guy can help them out.